Facebook friends. Okay, so I'm super excited to come to you today because this is an amazing deal. Like, I've never seen anything like this before, and I want to offer it to you because I wish I would have had this offered to me when I joined SeneGence. I am part of Pink Power Queendom, which is our team. This is our team shirt. Whenever we get together, we wear this shirt. We have such an amazing team. I want to show you when you join our team, you sign up for $55 plus tax and shipping, and this is what you get. This is your new distributor kit. Your new distributor kit, it's big, as you can tell. It's as big as my chest and bigger. And inside, this is the first thing you get. Wait till you see the next thing you get. Inside is a welcome message from our CEO and founder, Jeri Rogers Conte. And then inside that is it's a notebook. I'm trying to get it out. Okay, inside is a notebook, and it has all kinds of business tools and information and training, distributor guide. Some of you like to read and some of you don't. If you like to read, if you like information, it's all right here for you. There is a magazine here, which is our Acclaim magazine, which comes out once a year. And there's a distributor handbook and a catalog, and it shows you where to sign up for the apps that we have and all that kind of stuff. So that's in there. And then also what's in there is Joni's book. It's called $1 Million Lips, and it's an amazing book. Not just about business. This is about her life. It's about her struggles. It's about how she started the company. And it's about how to manage your home and your business and reach your goals and your dreams and do anything in your life you want to do. And it's all in this book. So you get all of that for $55 when you sign up, plus the tax and shipping to get it to you. Then, on top of that, you get, hold on a second. I gotta get, this box is big and heavy. Oh, okay. Then you get this box. Look at how big this box is. This is for free. You get this for free. Okay? So inside the box, you open it up, and inside is all of this stuff. So first of all, let me show you. You get, this is a portfolio, so you can put all of your important papers. When you first start your business, you need a place to put everything, right? And this is a place for you to have your testers that you get for free, and your information to hand out to people when you're talking to them. And it's a binder, so you can put all of your stuff in there. And these are little mesh envelopes to where you can put your product in here and your samples in there and everything else. So then inside here, first of all, there's a postcard that says welcome by Joni. Welcome by Joni. And then in here, look at all that you get. This is all over a $200 value that you get for free when you sign up. So inside here is, these are real product. There are 6 lip sense colors, a gloss and an oops, which is our remover. And these are all testers that you can use for yourself and to share with other people. Then there's applicators, so you can share it with other people. Then there's gloss samples, so that you can give one to someone when you're sharing. Then there's customer purchase receipts, so that you can keep track of what you sell. And there is beauty books, which is the catalog. There's 5 beauty books in here, 5 for you to get started, the catalogs. And then there's a distributor glamour guide. And this actually is an amazing book that tells you everything pretty much you need to know about starting your business. And actually, my picture is right here. That's me right there inside the book. So this is a guide for you to know how to get started in your business and start selling the product and making money right away. So all of that I just showed you, you get for $55 plus your tax and shipping to get it to wherever you live. And you get the lips, the new distributor kit, Joni's book, you get all of that product, all of those supplies for $55 plus tax and shipping. And I don't know how much your tax is where you live, so I can't give you an exact amount. But whatever that is, it's a good deal. And you can do it only until the last day of this month. It's over on the last day of October. I want you to join us. October is a breast cancer awareness. It's when we wear pink. That's why I have our Pink Power shirt on. That's why I have Kiss for a Cause lip sense on, because Kiss for a Cause is the lip sense color that when we sell a lip sense color, all the donation goes towards women and children at the Make Sense Foundation and to help cancer, breast cancer awareness. So this is Kiss for a Cause, and I want you to join me. I can help you. I've been doing this a long time. I know how to help you. I can't do it for you, but I can certainly be your coach. I can certainly help you along the way. I can point you in the right direction. And all you got to do is open your mouth and share with people what you're doing and what the product is and how amazing it is. Talk about amazing. Our skincare is better than our lip sense, if you can believe that. I mean, our lip sense doesn't come off, and neither does any of our shadows. Or look at this, it doesn't smear or smudge. I can do that all day long and it's going to stay put. Our makeup stays on till you take it off. And hi, Michelle. And when you join me, you get all of that for free. Plus you get me. Plus you get me, who's a leader in the company, and I can point you in the right direction and give you advice and show you what to do. Plus you get all your product at a discount, anywhere from 20 to 50% off. So with all that being said, I think you want to join me. I really think you do. And Michelle, since you just joined, you might want to go back and see all of the stuff that you get for free when you join this month. It's pretty darn amazing. And our skincare, like I said, our skincare is revolutionary. No one else can get it. It's patented. And I mean, I'm going to be 65 in 2 weeks. I'm going to be 65 in 2 weeks, and my skin looks pretty darn good for being 65. Don't you think? It's because of our skincare. Thanks a lot. Contact me, message me. I'll put the link below where you can sign up. And let's get you started. Let's get you all that free stuff I just showed you, because, oh my God, over $200 worth for free? Like, seriously? I wish I had that when I signed up. Bye for now.